We're trying some local tacos and quesadilla. I went and put hot sauce on it, so hopefully I don't cry. All right, let's dig in. You put hot sauce as well? You put hot, spicy?
Yes,
Yeah,
but just a little bit.
just a little bit. Okay.
You like to eat spicy?
Ever since I left Guatemala, yes, because everything is spicy over there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's really fresh.
Much better than I expected, to be honest, when I just came around
Yeah.
a place close to a bus station. It's really fresh and good.
Yeah.
Do you record right now? No. Really?
Where you get the silverware from? The port. Where you got this one? Oh. Thank you. Oh, that one is spicy. Check this out. Oh, this one is spicy. Spicy but fresh.
So all of you arrived today at the airport?
No.
We met at the airport.
Ah,
Yeah.
Waiting for a bus.
how much did you pay for the bus? It was €8, I think.
$7 US, so
Right.
120 pesos. Show my new friends to the world.
Hey.
Buenos dias.
I don't know if it'll catch all of us, but how do you like the quesadilla? Yeah. Better than America?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Way cheaper, actually.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Or plan is 4 weeks, to be honest. Yeah.
Wow.
But nothing is fixed in my, or I don't have a plan. The plan is just to enjoy and travel to the south.
That's the
I think
plan.
that's the best way how you're doing it. I have a few favorites and a few countries and a few spots I want to see, but the rest I will see. just a small holiday or?
Yeah, 5 days here because we're here for a fall break.
Okay. Better than nothing. Better than nothing.
Yeah.
We're gonna try the chicken quesadilla now.
Hope it will not rain that much.
No hot
because
sauce.
In October it's around 6 days of rain. But probably it's different. Maybe it's raining once a day or I don't know.
Amiga, la quesadilla está buena. Está buena. ¿De dónde venimos? Nosotros tres de los Estados Unidos. I don't know how to say Germany in Spanish. Y él de Germany. No lo sé decir en español.
Alemania?
Oh, Alemania.
Alemania.
Sí, Alemania, that's how it is. Yo de Florida y ella de Tennessee, right? De Tennessee. Así mismo. Sí. Yo hago videos aquí de comida también. Sí. Oh my god, it's so good. You got chicken, right? Me too. You got chicken?
I had chicken in the tacos.
The chicken is so good.
It's pork. The special one on the menu. I can't remember which kind of spices or something
I don't
special
know.
first in the menu of the pork. That tastes really good.
This is called Jamaica. I don't know what it is, but I don't know what fruit this is, but it tastes good. Not too sweet, not sour, kind of flat, but it tastes good. It's unique. I don't know.
Is it like a tea?
All right, do you want to try? Yeah, you could try. Yeah, of course. Here, let's get your reaction. What do you think?
It's like a non-alcohol wine.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I can see that. Yeah. Non-alcohol wine. I should have thought of that. Yeah. It's almost like grapes and like blueberry-ish a little bit. Yeah. We chose a good time to come and eat because it's pouring out there.
Every time.
It's so good. It's so good.
Now, how long do you want to stay here or in Mexico in general? Do you have plans or you're also free?
Oh.
Quite free?
I'm here for 2 weeks. The only plan I have is to eat food. I do want to go snorkeling. And that's it.
That's good. Not too much to plan is always good.
That's how I
Because then
travel.
you can
I agree.
calm down. You have already spots for snorkeling? Did you do some research?
At Isla de Mujeres, there's a
Yes,
spot.
I also did some research yesterday in the night, but then I was so tired. And I also thought about to do it there. Yeah.
Yeah, they have a spot there. That I don't know, but we'll find out.
I think it was quite good recommended.
What was it? Playa del Carmen has another one too.
2 on the Isla de Mujeres. But yeah, well, I think you find it on the way everywhere. But
Yeah.
Can you go to snorkeling if it's free?
I know in the States you can. I don't know here. That's a good question. Is Sutong, right? Is Sujong the shy one? Yeah. Yeah. You're the more outgoing one. Okay. You're the troublemaker.
Let's say travel me.
I like that. I'll start saying that. Travel maker. I like that. Oh, sí, gracias. Muchas gracias.
butter.
If you're done with your plate, she'll take it. Muchas gracias. That was amazing. You know what's different here? You guys can probably relate. I don't know if it's the same for you, but in America, when you eat food, you feel like sleepy and heavy and tired. Do you feel that? Here, I don't feel
general?
that. In general.
Really?
Yeah. Here, I don't feel it. Do you feel it? Like you feel boggy, like slowish?
In America?
Here, like what we just ate.
It's kind of light.
Yeah. Yeah. But in America, it's like everything is heavy. Yeah. But it was good.
Depends what you are ordering and how much you eat, of course.
I don't know. I feel like everything in America is heavy. Even seafood.
Salad
Yes.
is this big.
Yes. Yeah.
Why?
Because it's America. I don't know.
Everything is a bit bigger.
It was good. I think out of all of it, the chicken was the best. For sure. What do y'all think? Chicken, steak.
I enjoyed everything, but I think the quesadilla was my favorite. It was amazing.
I agree. What do you think?
I only had chicken, so I don't know.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
But like, I still like it.
Chicken for you too?
So I had pork.
Pork. How was it?
It was like good.
Yeah. Okay. We'll find some more spots and we'll see what happens.